We're back to give you the legal edge. The 4th of July is this Saturday, and with the holiday comes both commercial and consumer fireworks shows. I spoke to attorney Brian Walben from the Sinus Dramus law firm today, who has some important reminders for people planning to light up the sky.
Specifically with consumer fireworks, this is something that's largely regulated by the city or township, correct?
It's true. I mean, historically, the rules that have applied to fireworks have really been those ordinances generated by cities. But right before New Year's Eve on 2019, so not that long ago, there was a state law passed that basically said these are the 11 days or sometimes 12 days that we're going to say cities cannot limit the use of consumer fireworks during certain times. And since that time, most cities have basically said we're banning consumer fireworks except during those limited days that the legislature says we can't.
Okay, so what are those limited days? What days can people shoot off those fireworks?
So there's in most years 11 days, and at least half of those days, 6 of those days, have to do with days surrounding the 4th of July holiday. So beginning on June 30th, and continuing through July 4th from 11 a.m. to 11:45 p.m., you're allowed to set off consumer fireworks. When July 5th falls on a Friday or a Saturday, it gives one additional day. So that's the bulk of the days where people are allowed to set off fireworks.
Okay. Well, we know that people with PTSD, veterans, we know animals struggle with fireworks this time of the year and whenever fireworks are lit off. So what can those people do when fireworks are going off in their neighborhoods outside of the time that they're allowed? Because a lot of people have extra fireworks after they buy a bunch for the 4th and then they...
Yeah, or they want to get started early. We've already started to get phone calls at our office of people complaining that people have been setting them off all week. And really, if it's a problem, they ought to call the local police department non-emergency number. You may think, hey, we got to get the police out here quickly because the fireworks are going to stop and then they won't be able to find the person. But it really is a non-emergency. And they may not catch everyone, but the punishment is severe. It's a $1,000 penalty if you get caught. And the local police are really motivated to enforce it because $500 from every $1,000 fine goes to the local police agency that's charged with enforcing the law.